Hello, and welcome to Cybersecurity News Now. I'm Vernon Neile Reid. There has been a crypto mining attack that has targeted cloud workloads using Fileless Python malware, a sophisticated technique that is raising eyebrows in the cybersecurity community. The attack, detected by researchers from cloud security company Wiz, consists of Python code that loads an XMRig miner directly into memory using memfd, a known Linux fileless technique. Now, it should be noted, this is the first publicly documented Python-based fileless attack targeting cloud workloads in the wild, with evidence showing close to 200 instances where this attack was used for crypto mining. The malware payload, called PyLoose by the researchers, was found on unprotected instances of Jupyter Notebook, an open source web-based computing platform that supports over 40 programming languages, including Python. The attackers used Python code to first download and execute a script that was created with an open source tool called Fileless elf exec. Fileless attacks on Linux servers are not new, but they are relatively rare for cloud workloads. Reasons why attackers like these methods are: 1, they're harder to detect without behavior-based and memory monitoring security solutions. 2, they make post-forensic investigations harder because the payloads disappear from memory when the cloud workloads stop. And 3, security teams are not yet familiar with these techniques. So I'm sure many of you are asking, how do we prevent this from happening? The researchers advise companies to avoid exposing services like Jupyter Notebook publicly. Also, use multi-factor authentication or other strong identity platforms to access such notebook services. And they also advise to go a step further and restrict features that can lead to execution of system commands. That's it for right now. Stay informed, stay secure. I'm Vernon Neile Reid with Cybersecurity News Now.